Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to remove games from Slotomania favorites. If you want to remove the games marked as favorite in Slotomania, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Slotomania app on your device and make sure that you're inside this homepage. From the main menu, go to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger menu button. In the expanded menu, click on Favorites. Once you're inside the Favorites tab, select the game you'd like to delete from your favorite list, press and hold it, and then in the pop-up that appears on the screen, click on Remove. Soon after you tap Remove, the game will be removed from your favorite list. Repeat this process for every other game you want to remove from favorites. So there you have it. That is how you easily delete a game added in your favorite list in Slotomania app. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.